Hello, everyone. Paul Lizell here, the virtual investor, and I want to talk to you a little bit about basically a quick update here. Redfin gives these weekly updates, which I love. I'll do a little quick screen share with you here. And it just kind of tells us where we are in the market and what's going on here. So the median home sales price increased 24% year over year to 358,766, which is record high. And that's unbelievably high. It's getting to the point where it's starting to get unaffordable for most Americans out there because the wages have not increased as much during that time period here. Now, what I will say, one of the things that really increased the demand for people, all this stimulus, there's a lot of people that got a lot of stimulus checks here and long-term unemployment, which has helped, or at least short-term unemployment for a period of time before they got another job. And that boosted their income. So everybody's income is boosted up a little bit for this year, which makes them a little bit more mortgageable, which pushed, I think, demand up a little bit higher artificially, probably in a sense, just because people got money they don't normally earn. So with that being said, that the numbers of newly listed homes were actually up 14% from the same time a year ago, which is good in that that there's more homes available, right? Pending home sales were up 26% year over year, which is, again, another good sign too. Pending sales were down 9.8 from the 2021 peak. So they're starting to drop from the peak, but it's kind of the market cycle. You get people start to buy more in March, April, May. Typically in June, you're going to have a slight downturn. You'll see a little bit more in July. You'll see a little bit more in August, and then September is where you see the bigger slowdown because people aren't moving. Most of the time, people move during the summer months for simplicity for kids for school. So they're not moving in September, August, or September, October, November, December as often, right? So you have those numbers will naturally decline a little bit. So a lot of this is just a natural market cycle that we're getting here. That's a big positive sign here. Active listings fell 35% from 2020 and have been relatively flat. So with the inventory being obviously pushed down, that's pushed the prices up even higher, and hence going up 24% year over year, which is just a staggering number, gaining the amount of equity some of the homeowners are gaining here. And so, it's led to a lot of people to decide to go ahead and sell we're figuring that at or near the peak of the market, and either hold and rent for a little while and see what the market does, or downsize. It's a great opportunity to downsize, or it's a great opportunity to upsize too. If you want to go to a bigger home, because now you're going to take some of that profit and roll it into a new home at very low interest rates, historically low mortgage rates. So there's a lot of factors driving and pushing here. So this is looking like a natural kind of cycle in a lot of ways as far as the numbers are concerned, except for there's more people qualifying just because people have gotten more income this year from, helicopter money. It's stimmy checks that have been really pushing things up and pushing people into buying different things, boats, new cars, different things like that, pushing money into the stock market, the crypto market, and the real estate market, of course, as well. So everything looks kind of normal, natural here. I don't see any big variance yet. So everything seems to be going kind of according to plan. We'll see what next month's numbers look like. If we see a big drop or an increase in one way or another, I'll keep you guys updated. But obviously, it looks like things are pretty natural and pretty good at this point. If you guys got a lot of this, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.